guys, welcome to another video. So I'm getting started with this jelly polish here, and it's a pinky color. So I'm going to be applying the first layer, and I'm going to go ahead and cure it for 60 seconds. So now I'm going to be applying the second layer. So I'm going to be using this polish from Model Ones, and it's a beautiful rose gold glitter. So I'm going to be applying this on 3 of my nails, and the other 2 I'm going to leave them with no glitter. Alright guys, so this is how my nail set is looking so far. I'm going to go ahead and apply some 3D bows. I used one set already, and I'm going to be using the last one for today. I am going to be applying a decent amount of glue because I want my bow to be super secure. Also guys, these 3D bows I found at Dollar Tree. Sometimes Dollar Tree be having some cute stuff for nails. It's kind of hard to find them, but if you're lucky enough, you will be able to catch some cute stuff there. Guys, look what I found at a 99-cent store. These are stone stickers. They are so pretty. Look how sparkly and colorful these are. These are perfect. So I'm going to be using these for 2 of my nails. Guys, so this is the last nail here. I went ahead and set it for 60 seconds. Now I'm going to be wiping down the nails that have rhinestones. So I'm going to be doing this with some alcohol just to get rid of any stickiness, and it will help them be more shiny. Okay, so this is how the set turned out. They're so cute, glittery, and girly. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys next time.